Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the exact cells you want to border. Precision matters because Excel applies settings to the selection. Once selected, go straight to the Home tab and open the Borders dropdown. This is where presets and the line color option live. Set your line color and line style first, because Excel remembers those for subsequent commands. You're setting the parameters before applying them, so your border weight, dash pattern, and color are established and ready for the next actions. Now you apply the custom style. Choose More Borders to open the Format Cells border tab for full control. In that dialog, you can pick a preset like Outline or Inside, or click individual border buttons to target top, bottom, left, or right. This gives exact placement. Use the Style drop-down to select weight or dashed patterns, then pick color. Click directly on the border diagram to apply your choices to specific edges, and hit OK to commit the changes. Finish by reviewing. Zoom out to confirm uniformity, and if you need freehand application, use the border painter. Double-click it to lock for multiple strokes. If you make a mistake, clear borders with clear formats or choose No Border to reset only edges. If borders still don't appear, make sure grid lines aren't hiding them, check the sheet print area, and confirm cell fill color provides enough contrast for the border color to be visible. That troubleshooting tip resolves most display issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.